Hi guys, and today I'm making actually a requested video on how to grow your hair rapid, of course using only natural ingredients and homemade treatments. And as you saw from the title, this video is dedicated for mustard scalp treatment. All you're gonna need for this treatment are only two ingredients. So you're gonna need cold pressed mustard oil, it looks like this, and mustard powder. Looks like this. I'm pretty sure you already have these items in your kitchen, or you can buy them just at your local store. I started a scalp treatment 3 months ago from now. I'm gonna insert a few clips of before and how I started everything. Don't be afraid, my hair in those clips are done with my homemade blueberry hair toner and my hair looks quite silvery. I'm gonna insert those clips a bit later. Now the actual process of making your scalp treatment is really simple. I started by mixing 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and when I added a bit of mustard powder, I mixed everything and applied on my scalp. Please keep in mind that mustard oil is much more gentle for your skin, and mustard powder, it could be a bit hard for your skin to handle it, so don't start by using a lot of mustard powder for the first time. I started by using only a tiny amount of mustard powder. Later I used 1/2 of a teaspoon of it, and now I'm using 1 full teaspoon of mustard powder with 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. So yeah guys, let's quickly go back in time to 3 months ago where I started the treatment. So I simply sectioned my hair and applied the treatment all in my scalp and roots and massage it really well. Please don't apply mustard treatment or mustard oil on the rest of your hair, because mustard oil can really dry out your hair. And later you can put like a shower cap on or just wrap an old towel and try to keep the mustard treatment in your hair as long as possible. I did the treatment usually once or twice in a week, but don't do it more than twice because it might be a bit too hard for your skin. And keep the treatment on your scalp as long as you can. If you can keep it only for 2 hours, it's okay, but if you can keep it in your hair for like overnight, it's even better. I usually kept the treatment in my roots for approximately 3 hours, a bit less, a bit more, depending on the day, because when I come back home, I apply the treatment, and then I just turn on my computer, I prepare the food or watch a movie or something, and when I wash everything out just right before I go to the bed. And yeah guys, I have quite a lot of regrow, as you see. I know that my hair isn't growing fast. It grows like 1 centimeter per month or even a bit less. I can tell it because when I bleached my hair, it was really easy for me to track how fast it's growing, because I have that really visible transition line. I haven't came up with this idea of mustard scalp treatment myself, but I know that from ancient times mustard was used for rapid hair growth and for healing the body, for example like healing aching joints or aching muscles. When you apply the mustard on your skin, it promotes blood flow, blood circulation, and it means that the tissue is nourished more, it is repairing, regrowing faster, and it's healing faster. I don't really believe that if you apply something topically, like you apply mustard oil and massage it on your joints, I don't think that it can affect such deep levels of the body like joints, muscles, so on, but it really does affect the top layer, the skin. I personally haven't experienced any side effects from this treatment. My hair is growing a bit faster when it was before. I couldn't say it's like a major change, something like life-changing, no, but I think if you already have these ingredients, these products somewhere in your kitchen, Like, why not try it? So yeah guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and please comment down below if you tried this method and if it worked or not for you. It would be really interesting for me to read your opinions and your results. And yeah, I think that's all for today. So we'll talk in my next video. Bye guys!